BlendSpace is a really great tool to introduce project-based learning to your kids or even a flipped classroom. Here's a brief tutorial on how to use it. All you need to do first is sign up for a free account. That's right, free. I'll go ahead and start a new lesson so you can see exactly how to do it from the get-go, and then I'll show you what it looks like. First, you're going to see this. What is my canvas about? I'll go ahead and do the California missions. 4th grade standard, pretty simple to practice with. It's going to give you a title. It is self-directed. It will help you. Click on the search button to display resources. So I can search YouTube for it, for videos. I can search Google. And look, California missions. It came up with a ton of maps. I'm under images. If I went to the web, it would give me a ton of web links as if I was just searching Google. I can also search on OpenEd. I can look at Flickr for pictures, Educreations in their gallery, Guru. I can insert a specific web page. I can upload a media file from my personal computer or from my Dropbox or even my Google Drive. It's so user-friendly. Let's go back to images for California missions, and I really like this one because it does show, and you can even look at a preview just in case. It shows all of the missions along the coast of California. I'm liking that one as a good visual. All you need to do to get it onto your BlendSpace is to click and drop your resource. Right now I just have plain squares. Feel free to change your template once you have your information in. You can do a grid, bars, or even a trio or mosaic to make it a little bit more visually stimulating for the eye. You can do pictures. Another thing you can do is you can search YouTube videos. I've previously watched this, and I know this one is a really great video, and it's one that I'd want my kids to watch. I can go ahead and put that in there. One thing about BlendSpace is when you want to insert a web page, you need to either know the web page or you're going to have to search it. So I might have to search my eStudies Weekly, which is our social studies newspaper, if I want them to find that link. And I would just copy and paste. When I search it, BlendSpace knows exactly what I'm looking for. It has that link right there. Again, click and drag. What's great about BlendSpace is that kids can see right away what they're going to be looking at. A picture, a video, a link that they'll have to read. Another great thing is you can have descriptions to go along with it. So maybe when they get to the 3rd step for their eStudies Weekly, you want them to answer the questions on the handout given to you in class. You even want to remind them, please remember to use text-dependent answers. And that's going to be right here when they click on the link. They're going to have basic instructions for what to do when they get to this 3rd box. Of course, you're going to want them to have instructions because the idea of BlendSpace is they get to go through all these things, but what's the point of going through them if they don't have anything to do with it? Take a look at my website and you'll find some example activities that you can do. Here's what it looks like when one is completely done. I'll show you my original California missions, and I can always update it, always. I changed the look of it, but I have a video, I have some links, I have some pictures, some key facts, more pictures, and even a summary from our textbook. There are so many different resources you can use and have it be put in all in one place. Your kids will love it, they'll be engaged, they'll want to do more of BlendSpace. And all the while, they're just learning.